guys, and welcome to another episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. Now I just wanted to take a quick sec to remind you guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell for new video notifications, and like the videos if you guys like the content I'm providing. And always comment on the videos, I love hearing what you guys have to say. Oh my goodness, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. What am I gonna do? My crypto positions are down. Oh my goodness. XRP is under 40 cents, holy smokes. Ethereum down to 370. Bitcoin is right back down to the 6,500 mark. Oh my goodness. What am I gonna do? Guys, chill out. What's Bloomberg saying about crypto? Crypto's 600 billion crash hits a new low. Now that's a negative headline if I've ever heard one. Let's see what CNBC has to say. Over $9 billion wiped off Bitcoin's value after SEC postpones the key decision on a cryptocurrency ETF. Guys, this is all part of the plan, okay? The market is down. Everything is down. That's the important thing you have to remember. If you see your coin here on the list and it's down, what you have to realize is that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So long as every other coin is down, right? You can see on this list, it's a sea of red. You know, Monero 11%, Tron down 13, Ethereum Classic down 13, IOTA down 17, XRP down 14, Bitcoin Cash down 12. Guys, all this means is that the market is doing the same thing. And so this is a blessing in disguise, because when the market is this predictable and everything decides to crash because of some stupid news that the SEC decides to postpone key decisions on a cryptocurrency ETF, and we see this is irrationality speaking loud and clear. We see all the prices of these coins, they're all down, and all I have to say is amazing. I'm going to fund my crypto account with some more cash to buy more, in my case, Ripple XRP. And I got to give a shout out to one of my viewers, Mao940. She sent me this link here to the Digital Asset Investors video, and it's a great video, guys, and he comes up with some great things. Ripple XRP hodlers are about to love Canada. Well, it's partially about Canada, but he does run into some interesting things here. He was on the XRP chat blog, and he talks about, I mean, you can fast forward it to about the 4-minute mark. He talks about this info he found and some guy that did some research here. And this is kind of along the lines of the research I like to do. He found this information here, and it's basically the XRP price fluctuations from 2013 all the way to 2018. I don't know where he found this information, but as you can see here, the XRP prices were trading at like under a cent in some of these cases. But the important point is that he was showing and demonstrating the increases here were always larger than the decreases. You know, when we see the bear market down 93%, we have to remember that we were up 893% originally. Next one, the bull market was up 633, and then the bear market that followed was down 79. So when you average all that out, it just goes to show you that in a bull run, the bulls will always outpace the bears, and we will always see gains. We will always see higher highs. Despite all the negativity that you're feeling right now, based on the bear market that we're in, we're always seeing gains. Okay, guys? And another thing I like to keep showing people, like, again, look at these charts. This is Bitcoin on a daily, and just look at the chart. You know, I can basically choose any other coin. So here's XRP. Chart looks the exact same, and it's on the same time frame, okay? Basically huge run up and then the slow move down for the bears. Same with Ethereum. Okay, of course we're going to see different fluctuations based on news for each coin. Like XRP, there was one here. Ethereum's it went up a little higher. Okay, right here. However, you know, here's Litecoin, guys. Same kind of thing, ups and then the peter off. ADA, okay, Cardano, same kind of thing. The huge bull trend up with the petering off. XEM, same kind of thing, okay? The uptrend up here, petering off. So guys, this is all doing the exact same thing, okay? We're seeing the crypto market is doing the exact same thing. This is awesome. This is great because you know it's irrational. You know that you can buy more, and this is just people being irrational, selling off for no good reason. It gives smart people like us an opportunity to buy more, in my case, Ripple XRP. The thing that you do not want to see is for the cryptocurrency market to be up and for your coin to be down. Because in that case, there's something wrong with your coin. So if we see the whole crypto market in green and there's a huge bull run up and we'll know when there's a huge bull run up, and you see that your coin is down 14 or 12 or 15%, but everything's up 20, 30, 40%, you know there's a problem. But in this case, this is good news, okay? This is all good news. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but it's good news. One last thing before I go today, guys. Let's just look at the stock market crash of 2008. And I'm just going to show you here. Here's a stock market crash of 2008. Right here on the chart, it was that swing down. And basically, I can pretty much almost, well, not with 100% accuracy, but pretty much you could have picked any single stock in the US stock market in March 2009, and you would have bought that stock at an all-time low, and let me guarantee you, by 2018, you would have made money. So here's some random stocks here. Microsoft, this is the same period here. Microsoft, this was the crash of 2008, okay, right? And look at where Microsoft is right now. So again, back to the S&P, and then there's Microsoft, okay? Johnson & Johnson, another stock here, okay? As we can see, that was 2008. If you bought it in March 2009, boom, you would have made huge gains. Coca-Cola stock, same deal, guys. Crash of 2008 right here, okay? And again, one last thing, actually, this is the absolute last thing before I go. Talking about spec markets, I just want to show you one more quick thing. And I don't know if you know this, but in Canada, we're about to legalize marijuana. And so there are companies in Canada that are already producing marijuana. These are big companies. They plan to roll out their product across the nation and beyond. And so they have stocks trading on the TSX, which is the Toronto Stock Exchange. And up until this year, where they're going to actually, October 17th is the day they're planning on legalizing. The last couple of years, we've been trading in a spec market, similarly to cryptocurrency. And I'm just going to show you a couple of these charts. And how familiar does this look here? Huge move up with a bit of a crash down. That's Afria. That's Aurora. Okay, and the last one here is CanTrust Holdings. And as you can see, strong move up with a big move down. This is all in the same time frame. I kept it consistent. That's on a weekly. So guys, this is spec markets. Don't get too upset that your crypto's down. It's all just irrational. Who cares what the price is? All that matters is that the price is low and you can buy more Ripple XRP, in my case. Anyways, guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.